Putting your WordPress site in maintenance mode allows you to perform updates or changes without your visitors seeing the site in progress. Here's how you can do it. Using a plugin. Install a maintenance mode plugin. Popular plugins include WP Maintenance Mode or Coming Soon and Maintenance Mode by SeedProd. Activate the plugin. After installation, go to Plugins, Install Plugins. Find the Maintenance Mode plugin and click Activate. Configure the plugin. Navigate to the plugin settings from the dashboard. Customize the message, design and settings. You can set a countdown timer, add custom text or display a maintenance page. Enable maintenance mode. Once configured, turn on the maintenance mode. Visitors will now see the maintenance page, while admins and logged in users can still access the site. Manual method. Create a maintenance file. Use an FTP client to access your WordPress files. Create a new file named maintenance in the root directory of your site. Add content. In the maintenance file, add the following code. Remove the file. Once you're done with maintenance, simply delete the maintenance file to restore access to your site.